Buckle up, car lovers. This countdown is all about keeping you powered on the road with gear you can actually rely on. From emergency starts to on-the-go tire inflation, these compact powerhouses cover every scenario you might encounter. Today, I'm going to be going over the best portable jump starter with air compressor that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Noco Boost Plus Air Axe 65. This compact powerhouse blends a high-output jump starter with a dense air compressor toolbox designed for quick tire inflation and emergency boosts. With a rugged lithium battery pack and smart safety circuits, it negotiates dead batteries without sparks or reversed polarity, while its 12-volt port and dual USB outputs keep devices charged on the go. The built-in air compressor offers adjustable psi, allowing tires, sports balls, and inflatables to reach exact pressures, and the LED work light provides flood illumination for roadside changes. Charge via USB-C or standard USB-A, and rely on the oversized display to monitor voltage and pressure precisely. Compared to the Paulin Jump Starter with air compressor, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the Noco stands out with quicker recharging and a larger integrated air reservoir that helps you finish inflation tasks faster. At number 9, we have Paulin Jump Starter with air compressor. This versatile unit pairs a strong jumpstart power pack with a fully integrated inflator, giving you a portable workshop in one compact shell. It supports up to several hundred amps of jump power, enough to wake up most 12-volt systems and small diesel engines alike, while its air compressor handles tires, sports equipment, and inflatable toys. The design emphasizes user safety with reverse polarity protection, spark-proof clamps, and short-circuit safeguards, plus a clear LCD that shows current pressure and battery level. It also offers multi-port charging, including USB-A and USB-C, so phones and tablets can stay live. Compared to the Jaeger Auto Jump Starter with air compressor, which I have included as number 8 on this list, the Paulin prioritizes a larger jump amp capability with a slightly slower inflate rate. At number 8, we have Jaeger Auto Jump Starter with air compressor. This model emphasizes a balance between power and portability, packing a high-current jump function and a versatile air inflator into a slim case. You'll get a robust battery with smart protection, a bright LED flashlight with strobe mode, and a dockable status screen that keeps pressure and battery health in view. The compressor pumps tires and inflates mid-sized tires quickly, with an adjustable pressure setting for precise inflation, while the jump clamps provide anti-spark and anti-reverse protection. It charges through USB-C for fast top-ups and offers a dedicated 12-volt outlet for accessory devices. Compared to the Wolfbox Jump Starter with air compressor, which I have included as number 7 on this list, the Jaeger Auto shines with a smaller footprint and easier single-handed carry. At number 7, we have Wolfbox Jump Starter with air compressor. Wolfbox emphasizes rugged reliability, pairing a potent jumpstart unit with a heavy-duty inflator that can pump up to fairly high psi for tires or camping gear. The battery pack emphasizes long life and stable performance under cold starting conditions, with smart protections against short circuits and reverse polarity. You'll find a bright work light, a crisp display, and multiple charging options, including USB-A and USB-C. Integrated compressor supports continuous runtime for inflation tasks, and a compact case helps with storage in vehicles. Compared to the Gulu A3 Jump Starter, which I have included as number 6 on this list, the Wolfbox line is better for users who want a higher inflator max and a more durable build. At number 6, we have Gulu A3 Jump Starter. Gulu brings a compact, yet capable package aimed at value seekers who want real-world performance without breaking the bank. A solid jump power output covers most mid-size engines, while the built-in compressor handles tires and air toys at adjustable psi. It offers user-friendly safety features like short-circuit protection, spark-proof clamps, and reverse polarity alarms, plus a 2-port charging hub for phones and tablets. The LCD readout helps track battery health and tire pressure during inflation. Compared to the Jump Starter with air compressor, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Gulu model leans toward lighter weight and a simpler user experience. At number 5, we have Jump Starter with air compressor. This option focuses on accessibility, offering a straightforward interface and reliable power with an integrated inflator rated for common road tires. A practical power bank includes USB-A and USB-C for device charging while you tend to the car, and the protection suite guards against miswiring and surges. Inflator is adequate for most passenger vehicles and light trucks, with a comfortable hose and easy-to-read gauge. Compared to the Jaeger Auto Jump Starter, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the with air compressor emphasizes simplicity and broad compatibility over peak inflator speed. At number 4, we have Jaeger Auto Jump Starter. Auto emphasizes a compact design without sacrificing performance, delivering strong jump-start capability for everyday vehicles and occasional larger engines. The unit includes an efficient air pump with adjustable SI, a high-visibility display, and a safe air toolset with protections against short circuits and reverse polarity. You also get USB-C fast charging, USB-A, and a robust flashlight with emergency modes. The package keeps things organized in a protective case for travel. Compared to the J22 3500A Jump Starter, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Auto places more emphasis on user-friendly ergonomics and a lighter footprint. At number 3, we have J22 3500A Jump Starter. J22 focuses on raw starting power with a proven 35 amp class capability, designed to crank moderate to demanding engines while preserving battery health through smart protection. Its integrated air compressor handles tires, inflatables, and sports gear with consistency, and the built-in flashlight helps in dim roadside scenes. Charging options include USB-C and USB-A, plus a car charger for on-the-go topping. The display shows live performance metrics, and the clamps are designed to resist heat buildup during heavy starts. Compared to the Jump Starter air compressor, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the J22 model demonstrates stronger peak current but slightly less compact packaging. At number 2, we have Jump Starter air compressor. This all-in-one unit gives dependable start power along with a capable inflator for tires and gear. Its safety system guards against spark, polarity reversals, and short circuits, while the compressor offers steady airflow with multiple pressure presets for tires, basketballs, and bike tires. Pop-up options include USB-C, USB-A, and a vehicle charger. The display keeps you informed about remaining battery life and pressure. Compared to the Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter, which I have included as number 1 on this list, this model trades some peak power for portability and lower weight, making it a convenient choice for light-duty use. At number 1, we have Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter. This flagship combines heavy-duty starting capability with an exceptionally robust air compressor, designed for drivers who demand resilience in extreme conditions. It delivers high peak amps to wake large engines, a long-life battery bank, and a fast-charging ecosystem across USB-A, USB-C, and wireless charging on certain variants. Bright floodlight, a comprehensive LCD, and smart safety features ensure peace of mind during roadside resets. The compressor handles tires and inflatables with precision, and the whole unit nests in a rugged case for storage. Compared to Jump Starter air compressor, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Wolfbox 4000A leads with higher peak power and expanded charging options.